that's a little hard. You're right next to her.
Well, edit me out.
Oh, okay. Throw some paper on her. Let's get the baby Screech.
Are you okay?
Are you having a good time, huh? Say happy birthday, Mommy. My new nickname is Screech. Hi, Screech. Okay, bye-bye. Is that the camera, huh? Uh-oh.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah. Hey, we were recording you because you're having so much fun on the wrapping paper. Now, that's just out the window in favor of this shiny box. We should have set this somewhere. Hi there! You silly girl, you're covered in paper. Where'd all this paper come from, huh? Woo! Hobo baby lives! Are you having fun, huh, Turkey?
She just wants the camera.
Yeah, I know. You got it. Oh. No, it's not pointed at Mom. Mom's not pretty today. Uh-oh.
Mom's pretty every day.
Aww.
The cow moves in the barn.
Oh. Okay, can you stop attacking me? Oh, that had to hurt.
Hilaria,
She has a hard head.
over here, darling.
Hilaria, look what Mommy's got. More paper. Ah! What do you think? Yeah, there you go. Rip it up. Ah! Ta-da! Where'd she go? Ah. Okay, I hope you're not eating it. You silly girl. We're in hog heaven. Oh, and the tree. Okay, end of the movie.